Merry Christmas and welcome back. Alright you all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and like and subscribe. Subscribe and like, it doesn't matter what you do as long as you tap that notification button. Let's go and get into this video today. Alright you all, welcome back. It is my Vlogmas experience, day one. This is kind of off to like a really slow start. The first day of December was Thursday, so I'm kind of like behind, so this is probably going to be like a week behind Vlogmas, but it is still a Vlogmas and this is the first year, and I keep promising you all every year, and I am dedicated to doing it this year. I got a new setup this time, so it should be a little bit easier for me to do it, which I'm uber excited about. Really, I'm tired. I literally got off of work, I came home, I finished up like organizing my whole like situation that's around me right now. Like, it's been a lot, okay? Thanksgiving happened, this week happened, and then we got my birthday coming up on Sunday. So I got a lot to prepare for tonight before I even go to bed, and that's really sad because I have a really early morning start tomorrow, and it doesn't stop because I go right back into it on Sunday, and it is wild. But it is all good because I'm going to continue to live and I shall not die, as the Bible says. Amen. Amen. Honestly, I wanted to do something to my nails for my birthday. I wanted to do a different little hairstyle. I'm thinking about doing some braids because I feel like to get myself organized, I gotta stop focusing on my hair for a minute. So there's nothing wrong with a little protective style, you know, a little winter protective style. I feel that. I felt that in my shanana. Winter protective style is coming out for this vlog. And then of course I need to look good and tight for my birthday celebration. Apparently there's a whole surprise situation that's going on that people don't know that I know about, but I know about, and I'm trying to act like I don't know because people already slip up and say stuff, but I ain't blaming nobody, you know. I'm just gonna pretend. And then on top of that, I have a really big interview coming up next week. So I just want to be like together. I want my face and body. I just want to feel better. I want to feel hydrated. So I'm trying to do this hydration thing. And honestly, my hair, y'all, is actually pretty good. Like, it's giving, okay? It's giving like 4C, okay? This is just my hair, you know? And it doesn't feel too bad. Yesterday I did a Aztec clay to like strip my hair. I did the Aussie 3-minute miracle deep conditioner, and then I put some Mild Organic pomegranate honey leave-in conditioner, and then I put a little bit of a little mixture of like the gel and the coiling sculpting gel from Mayo. So, you know, my hair is doing my hair thing, and we're just going to prepare it for a nice little protective style. And I just need to pause right there. People who say me L below me, if you really be using that product, if you really be following them, it is not me L, it is my L. Say it with me, my L. My L, not me L, me LA, none of that. It's my L, period, point blank. Stop all that wildness. We are in 2022. This company has been going, okay? We are past not saying companies' names correctly. My L. Okay. I had to get that out my soul. I had to get that out my system. Alright. Alright. Alright, so I really want to give y'all the full effect of my hair, okay? Get out the bun, okay? We're giving afro, okay? We're giving product flaking, but it's okay. It's okay. Giving product flake, but it's also giving lots of movement, lots of bounce, you know, a lot of shaky shake. It's giving shrinkage. And I'm okay with that because it's going right into a protective style. Y'all, he gonna call me in the midst of my vlog, and I'm okay with that because I be calling him when he be doing his business stuff too. So, you know, because he misses me that much. Say hi to my people.
Taking it slow, I can't read your mind. Sometimes I feel like I'm here alone. Don't need a wedding vow, just tell me how you.
That did not take too long to do. Literally, I haven't like really done my ends yet, and I'll probably do them like in the morning when I wake up because I'm kind of tired and it's late and I got a busy day tomorrow. But at least my hair is good. I mean, this lasts me a nice little time. Hopefully, because sometimes when I put braids in my hair, I grow like tired of it, and then I get mad at myself because I'm like, I'm tired of it. I want to do something different with my hair, and then I take them out, and I'm like, I regret taking them out. So hopefully, I will keep them in longer than a week or two, maybe two. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta do different stuff in life. And you know, I told y'all I was going to do this Mayo content on my Instagram, which if you guys have not followed your girl on Instagram yet, go ahead. I know I told you all about a week or two ago. About a week ago. It was the week before Thanksgiving, so 2 weeks ago. That I was going to do a review on Mayo's new line. I have all the stuff, okay? I have all the stuff. I promise y'all I'm going to do it. Just not right now. I gotta do me Curtis, okay? It's birth weekend, okay? It's my day, my week, my month, and I'm going to do me. And that's the best I can do and the best I can give you. All right, you all, good morning. So it's time to go out. I started this morning off by cleaning because I just had to reorganize some things. I didn't do it yesterday. I started Thursday, didn't finish it. So this morning, well, it's not morning time, it's afternoon. I'm about to go out and see if I can find another battery for my new camera that I got. Look at the crispiness. Look at the crispiness. Okay, I need to go find a new battery and hopefully a new case for my camera, and then get some groceries. So I'm gonna swing by, go get John because I asked him to come with me today. All right, y'all, so I just left Best Buy. I went and got some new stuff. I went ahead and got me a nice little backpack because I love backpacks. So just go and get a backpack, put my camera in. Got me a little tripod and everything, and got me some batteries and stuff like that. But let me tell y'all my experience when I went up in this Best Buy, right? This man was just beep, 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 beep. He was just scanning stuff up, right? And he was trying to, like, you know, I was like, hold on, wait a minute. I haven't even made up my mind. You just scanning this stuff out. I just said I was looking for it, right? I ended up getting it anyway. But then when he processes through, he says, we got Apple Pay. So I was like, beautiful. Like, you know, I got it all connected to my card and stuff like that. So I went and said, boop, boop. And he said, yeah, it declined. I said, oh, I know you lying because I know I got my money. So I put out my debit card and I said, beep, beep. And it went through and I just looked at him. And I said, go on and say that it approved out loud, just like you said it declined, because I know you playing with me. But yeah, I'm with my baby. I was about to get real loud and rowdy up in there. I was like, don't play me. Don't play me. I know what I have in my account. Don't do that, sir. Anyways, let's go to the grocery store because I'm hungry. Maybe it's because I'm hangry and that just like really blew me in because I was hangry. You think? All right, you all, so we made it back. We're about to eat because I have not eaten at all today. I feel like I've done the 50-day fast. Okay, I can't fast no more. I cannot not eat no more. I need food into my system. Okay, food into my system. The lighting is really bad, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Y'all can see what John got me for my birthday. Oh, I thought you ate my... I was like, no, you didn't eat my sushi. You wild for that, man. You wild. But yeah. All right, y'all. So we went to Wegmans. Man, We spent a good little bag in Wegmans, bro. Not like Best Buy didn't already get half of but we went to Wegmans. Just something quick. I know I said I was going to go grocery shopping today, but I'm tired. Okay? My week was long, and I don't want to be tired before my birthday tomorrow. So I'm not going to overdo it, you know? We're just going to chill. Find some Christmas movies.
Why are you lit? It's in broad daylight.
You're messing. Alright, y'all. So John came over and kind of helped me with my settings, man. I mean, at the end of the day, lighting is lighting. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. I definitely was looking forward to this ginger. I love their ginger. It's amazing. I love sushi ginger in general. But, and wasabi. Say it ain't so. Do you have a pair of scissors or something that I can? Yeah. Oh, psych, never mind. It was an easy tear. It was an easy tear. I really was looking forward to the sushi, y'all. That's what I was with. This time I got like a crunchy one. Thank you, babe. Alright, y'all, so John said he wanted some brownies, so we're getting stuff together for the brownies. What you got in here? The bowl and foil. Alright, so he found these, y'all. We don't know who he is, but we're gonna try him out. They're free, so you know, they ain't gonna have the sugar that we looking for, but you know, John's choice, you know. This is why we don't send men shopping for us. But anyway. If I cry along with you when you smile, I smile. You are not the father. Alright, so now we gotta wait 35 minutes. So, yeah. We were watching The Woman King. This is literally my third time seeing it. I don't know if I can see it anymore after this because I'm kind of tired of seeing it at this point. Like, I can't even focus on it because I've seen it so much. But yeah, John has never seen it. The second time I watched it for Thanksgiving with my mom. So me no watchy it no more. What's that?
Not super light.
Huh?
Lemonade.
Ew, there's stuff floating in it.
That's tea. Never mind. Not probably tea.
Why you drinking? No, you ain't even take a big sip of it.
I had it.
I'm not nobody's. I've seen Lilo and Stitch. I'm good.
Right, it's legit just mango tea, pomegranate white tea, lemonade with honey.
I believe it. No,
You're
thank
good.
you. No, thank you.
You're good. It's really good. I promise you. No, I promise you. It's just tea. You don't gotta do that, bro. It's just tea. I can show you where. I can legit show you it's just tea.
Y'all see that? He trying to offer me grass water.
It ain't grass water.
Yeah.
Tea bags. So yes.
I drink it on camera.
You lied.
What you mean?
I came back, you drinking this.
That was to wash down what I drink.
It ain't bad, it's just tea and
Yeah.
lemonade and honey.
Why
Did you water down my drink though?
No.
Did you actually try it? You ain't try, you lied. Brad, let's take a sip. Take a sip. Good shit, isn't it, right? Yeah, good herbs. It's herbal tea. You know what I'm saying?
Perfect.